Though through this period, our county has remained vigilant, continuously making necessary preparation for any eventuality. Narok County recorded her first case on 13th June 2020, almost 6 months after the first case was reported in China, and about 4 months since Kenya recorded her first case in March 2020. Mr. Speaker, although Narok County has yet to record any COVID case in the earlier days and months, the ripple effect of events at global and at national level were already being felt at the county level. This stems from the fact that variation in economic indicators and the national economy have a direct effect on the performance of the economy in the county. Mr. Speaker, the ban on international travels, cancellation of travel arrangements, lockdown in most of the countries, among other containment measures in the domestic market, forestalled tourism from visiting the Great Masai Mara Game Reserve, which is the main on-source revenue stream for Narok County. This, together with general disruption in supply chains and reduction in business activities, has affected our revenue collection in the third and fourth quarter for the financial year 2019-2020. The effects are likely to spill over to quarter one and quarter two for the financial year 2020-2021, which coincidentally is the highest tourist season occasioned by wildebeest migration in the Greater Mara. Mr. Speaker, in a bid to contain the spread of the pandemic, the national government, in joint effort with the county governments, has instituted several containment measures, including closure of airspace and borders, curfews, and cessation of movement in some countries, among others. These measures, including enforcement of basic hygiene and social distancing, having not only been necessary but also timely, as they will have indeed stemmed the surge of infections and loss of lives. We believe this is one reason Narok has been free of the COVID-19 until the 13th